Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to copy the notes or how to make a copy of the notes on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a copy of the notes in your Google Keep on your mobile phone? It's just going to show in this video. For an example, I just have this note. For an example, just have this notes about the some of the checklist. So I just need to, before making any correction, I just need to make a copy of this so it can make a correction, or I can just do to add some more content for this. So first of all, just long press on it. Then you have to click on the three dot option on the top. Now you have this option called make a copy. Click on this make a copy, just set it. You can have a copy. Now it's just going to change the theme color, and also it's just going to add more thing about like mobile or phone, like that. So just added this list called as, and this list is going to be about the brand. You can select multiple items. You can just copy, but you can just select only one thing and you can have a make a copy option. This is the way that you can just make a copy on your Google Keep on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.